Okay, so let me try first. Good afternoon, everyone. If you can hear me and you can see me, just go ahead there and type on the chat box. Today we just sembang-sembang since this is lunchtime. Uh, how many of you are watching live right now? So I just want to see who is watching me live right now. Jom kita tengok-tengok dulu siapa live, siapa live. Siapa yang tengah tengok tu? Cuba dengar sikit. Boleh dengar? Okay. Sebelah sini boleh dengar. Boleh tengok. Okay, all right. So just a nice Wednesday afternoon. I had a very nice lunch. It's been some time, guys. I didn't had my ANW. So today, my friend and I, our colleague, is we're just thinking like, hey, why not we grab some nice ANW? ANW has been so long, we didn't get a chance to enjoy that kind of food. So ANW is reminding me about the ice cream, the cokes. All right, so it's nice. So once again, everybody, happy Wednesday. Selamat Hari Rabu. So tell me, guys, who are listening now? Okay, so we just chit chat for a while. And today, somebody asking me this question. He says, "Sir, how to calculate your profit or loss if in trading currency market?" So adalah orang tanya dengan saya kan. Dia tanya, "Sir, macam mana nak kira untung rugi kalau trading currency market?" Jadi saya fikir-fikir pun kan soalan ni pun bagus. Jadi saya pun kalau boleh saya mau share lah dengan sesiapa yang mau tahu kan. Sebelum mau trading currency market pun mesti mau tahu kan macam mana mau kira untung rugi. So before you want to trade in the currency market, I think it is very important for you to know how to actually learn how to calculate the basic profit and loss. Okay, now before we get started, okay, so memandangkan hari ini hari Rabu, since this question pun just datang secara random, so I just feel like, hey, why not I do live kan? So I just share. Who knows that you will learn something from here. Jadi saya pun bercadang lah keluarkan satu kelas simple hari ini supaya you boleh belajar sedikit lah. Sekurang-kurangnya you tahu kan, before you want to trade in currency market, ada cara mau kira untung rugi. Sebab ada orang tanya hari ini kan, sir, macam mana kita mau kira untung rugi kan? Okay, tapi sebelum kita start dulu kan, before we start kan, alright. So I think it's very interesting for us to get to know. Okay, so we see some of you watching here. What are you doing right now? Where are you listening me live right now? Tengah dengar dari mana ni sekarang? Cuba share sikit. Cuba share sikit. Where are you listening to me live right now? Okay. Oh, I think I should see here. Okay, so guys, tell me, where are you listening to me right now? Sudah makan? What do you have for your lunch? Just go ahead there, type in the chat box. Tell me. What do you have for your lunch? I just had nice ANW, very nice. You know, hot dog buns, very nice. We have a very nice lunch with a nice onion ring. Just had nice ANW. It's been sometimes I didn't have this kind of quick lunch like this. Yes, previous day we got a chance to try very very nice nasi. Wong Solo. I think that one's very a little bit spicy, but it's nice. Okay, so rakan-rakan yang tengah tengok dari mana? Where are you listening now? Live right now. Just say hello, hello a bit to me. Hello, hello, hello. Just go there and type at the chat box. Say hello. So we have here Kevin. We have Kamsa here. We have Alex Roy, Jocelyn John, Daniel Cat, Nurul Shikin, Yoken Hawk, Shelly LY. How are you guys today? Good afternoon. I hope that you have a great lunch. Where are you listening me now? Are you guys working right now or are you at home? Are you staying at home? Wow, just recently, guys, I let you all know. We have a news regarding about the COVID, guys. Guys, listen this. We have not done with the COVID yet, so it seems like the number coming back, right? Any of you know the latest story? Right now, it seems like people in Kuching and in Sarawak right now, you guys have to be careful because the number seems jumping back again. So kita belum selesai lagi ni untuk kita break kita punya chain COVID ni. So kalau boleh pastikan you all wear the mask. Okay, since this live show, I don't wear mask lah. Okay, so since I'm in my studio, so please make sure that you wear your mask. Okay, sanitizer, ada penjarakan sosial. Okay, so sekarang dengar-dengar kan, ada orang Kuching kan ni? Ada kawan-kawan di Kuching, jom boleh share sikit apa berita terkini di Kuching sekarang ni. Apa cerita-cerita? Dengar kata macam ada COVID sudah kembali semula di Kuching, Sarawak. Sebab kita ada kluster yang baru balik daripada overseas kan, dengan daripada Jerman kan. So sudah affected. beberapa orang. Okay, so jadi kawan-kawan kalau boleh pastikan you stay safe, penjarakan sosial, wear sanitizer, cuci tangan, basuh tangan, pakai mask. Okay, so make sure that you all stay, stay safe. Okay, we have not done yet. Again here, yes, today we have this topic right here. You guys see because somebody asked me about how to calculate profit and loss. But before we talk about that one, I think it's very important for me to share with you guys about this COVID. COVID-19, there's a prediction. Ada apa ni orang sebut macam ada sedikit ramalan mengenai wave 2 possible to coming back. Okay, ada ramalan bahawa kemungkinan tinggi untuk wave 2 kembali semula saya. So pastikan sebab dengar kata sekarang sekolah pun macam mau tutup balik kan. So guys, any of you have a latest news about sekolah sekarang ni? Ada tak sekolah sekarang ni ditutup semula sebabkan COVID? And I just let you all know, my flight just cancelled by AirAsia. I supposed to be flying back to Kuching. Right now I'm in KL. So I supposed to be flying back to Kuching this coming Saturday. And I just received the news from AirAsia saying that my flight has to be canceled. There's no reason why yet. So my flight just canceled and they sent me a brand new flight ticket. Okay, a brand new itinerary. So my flight is postponed on the next day, Sunday, flying back to Kuching. Okay, so Sunday nighttime. So they delay me another one more round. So I'm not sure whether Asia is facing a challenging time too, but I understand Asia and all the entire staff is actually facing a difficult time too. I understand, but this last minute postpone is also is going to be a little bit tough also for the passenger. I am not sure whether some of you are facing the similar thing like me, but I'm okay with that. If they postpone me on the next day, we have to follow the procedure. We have no choice. Okay, so I hope that AirAsia is continue improving because like last couple of weeks we cannot bring the handbag carry because they only allow us to bring one. Then tiba-tiba adalah satu video kan tular di social media mengenai apa tu hand carry kan yang 7 kg kan. So and after that because of this desas-desus, right? So they start back lagi you can bring the hand carry. So Asia right now if you fly you can bring one your backpack, okay, one handbag if you're ladies, and one, okay, your hand carry small little cute luggage, as long as not more than 7 kg. Now, if you have problem in flying Asia, I really recommend you guys, if those who flying with Asia, you better buy early your extra baggage, okay. This baggage is, I think, is really important for you. Okay, so let's see here. Can any of you just go ahead and type at the chat box, say hello, hello. Boleh? Can you just type, say hello, sir? Hello, Saison, how are you? So tell me where you're listening me live right now. Can you just type there, hello, hello? I just want to say, I want to say hi to you. Okay, we have who's here? We have Chin Min Park, Annie Liu, Cecilia Bocklin, KG Yo. Wow, brother KG Yo, it's been some times. It's been some time. How's Penang? A lot of Penang people here. Okay. Wow. Remember, guys, I really want to fly back to Penang. I will tell you guys the schedule if I fly to Penang. Two reasons. One, I want to meet up all the awesome traders there. Awesome traders there. Second is for food. I like to eat. Okay. This is my another problem too. I like to eat. So now I have next problem also. Beside eating, I need to exercise. I need to start my my daily routine. You see, I'm getting more chubby since this MCO. Some people say me I'm over prosperous right now. To be a bit chubby already, right? Okay, so who's actually? Oh, brother KG, oh good. So I tell you guys, brother KG is a fantastic traders, as I know him for like I think brother KG, is it KG? I think we know each other like what 2-3 years, got right? I think about 2-3 years now. So he's trading quite consistently in Bursa, and currently I believe you're trading in futures. Brother KG, are you trading in which market right now? You're trading the index? Are you trading the currency as well? Can you just go ahead and type at the chat box? All right, who else right here joining us? Lonnie Debuli. Yeah, brother KJ, you look prosperous. Yeah, since COVID, see, MCO time, we eat a lot. Okay, I eat a lot, cook a lot. My wife cook a lot, at home. So we like to eat. Okay, so let me have a look here. So who's joining us right here? Okay, 4 to 5 years already. Yeah lah. Wow, that's how time flies, right, brother KG? Yeah, it's 4 to 5 years already. I didn't realize that. Yes, yes, yes. It's been some time already. So Brother KG is one of our, as I know him, he's one of fantastic trader from Penang. Brother KG, are you from Bukit Mertajam side or are you from Penang side? I'm not sure already which side you are. Oh, Brother KG, are you trading stocks and future? Did you manage to hentam kau or not? Top Glove, Supermax, Harta, in since COVID, this kind of stock is, but now get ready, profit taking possible happening. So get ready to take profit in stages. It's already been like that for almost 90-degree. So always remember there's always overbuying. So if no more people buying already, as usual, people start to take profit already. So as I advise to many, I don't advise. I just telling my my thought. I cannot advise. So I just share some of thoughts to our traders. You see money already. It's time to put a bit lah in pocket, right? So Top Glove is already actually currently now is the third largest market cap, in Bursa. It's very impressive. Top Glove is actually just let you all know, syarikat Top Glove yang buat sarung getah. Just to let you all know, viewers, okay? Saham Top Glove ialah di Malaysia ni, Top Glove ialah merupakan satu pengeluar sarung tangan yang paling terbesar, sarung tangan getah yang paling terbesar sekali di dunia. Is the world number one largest manufacturing in terms of rubber glove. Okay, they used to be my customer. I used to supply polymer to them. I got a chance also to meet Tan Sri Lim Wichai, very very powerful leaders. So I got a chance to sit down with him, talk about their company. So it's very interesting. We managed to visit almost all their plant in Ipoh, in Thailand, in some of the area here in KL. So Top Glove is actually is this fantastic company. Okay, so I know some of you is profiting nice. So Brother KG, Supermax 2 round, is it? Okay, bagus. Oh, Brother KG is from Bukit Mertajam. I see. Yeah, the other day I think I met you in BM, right? Bukit Mertajam. Okay, so today for those who are still chillax with us, relax with us, okay lah. Just let you all know. Today we have a question. Some of them ask questions. Say, sir, actually how to calculate your profit and losses in trading the currency market, because some of them they want to know before they trade the currency market, they want to calculate first how to calculate untung and the rugi, right? Okay, so ada kita punya student, bukan student lah, ada orang yang masih lagi baru, dia tanya dengan saya, dia tanya Ezon, macam mana nak kira untung rugi dalam berdagang currency market. Jadi hari ini Ezon nak share sikit lah sempena untuk kita punya program hari Jumaat ni. Jadi I explain to you all a bit lah. Okay, and then at the same time also, by the way, don't miss out this Friday. We're gonna have a free live webinar. I will share with you all one simple trading strategy in currency market. So for those who want to join this coming Friday, 17th July, 9 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. Click up here. There's a registration. Go ahead and click it. 9 p.m. We're going to start sharp. Don't worry, guys. It's not. You don't need Zoom. You don't need all these things. You just can view directly from your smart mobile phone and also your browser. Okay. So first of all, okay, let me share a little bit. If you guys can see my screen, just let me know. Okay. Before that, I'll need to let me know. Okay. Okay. So just tell me, guys, if you can see my screen. You tell me if you can see my screen. Kasih tahu cikgu if you guys can see. Okay, tunggu dulu. Okay. I share a bit. You guys can see my screen. You guys can see my screen? You can see, it's good. Okay. So tell me if you guys can see my screen. Say yes. Cikgu, I can see your screen, cikgu. Okay, so this is one of the charting software and trading platform that we have here. You tell me if you guys can see. Okay, so two things here. If you want to trade the currency market, siapa yang berminat lah mau belajar berdagang pasaran kewangan, terutamanya melibatkan mata wang asing. So two things here. You akan buat ramalan. Most important thing is you mesti belajar buat ramalan lah. You buat prediction. So bila kita sebut ramalan, dua benda akan berlaku. Sama ada you punya ramalan akan menjadi ataupun you punya ramalan tak menjadilah. So again, I repeat in English, if in trading market, it's all about you doing your analysis and towards the end, basically you're doing a prediction, okay? So prediction is always remember, prediction is only happen two things. Whether your prediction is going to be correct or whether your prediction is not going to happen. So if you're going to happen, what you need to do. If not going to happen, also you need to know what to do. Okay, now in terms of trading currency, is not the same if you trade the stock market. Okay, generally, if you trading the stock market, normally you go through this simple process. You buy low at the cheapest price, and you need to sell at a higher price. And that is the only way that you can make money. Or you buy at expensive price at a high price, and you need to sell even higher price in order for you to make money in stock market. Okay, jadi untuk yang saham secara umum, biasanya you kena beli harga murah dahulu dan tunggu sehingga harga naik mahal sedikit, baru you jual, ada untung. Ataupun you boleh beli mahal sedikit dan jual lagi mahal, okay, dan ambil untung. So generally in stock market, normally you make money only one way, when the market go up. Okay, so but generally in stock market, if the market go down, you usually you possibility you will lose some of your capital or will affect your capital. Now for the currency market, siapa yang berdagang di currency market, there's a different thing about currency market. Okay, in currency market, go up also you make money, and one good news, go down also you make money. Okay, di pasaran currency market, naik pun you can make money. Dan lagi best, turun pun you can make money. If you buat ramalan, the price can go down, yes, you can make money. Now, the thing is actually the technique macam mana mau ramal, harga boleh naik, harga boleh turun, saya akan reveal on this coming Friday. Okay, those who want to know a simple technique on how to actually to see whether there's a potential for it to go up or the potential for it to go down, I will reveal this coming Friday. Okay, on 17th July, there's a link up here below, so don't miss it out. This coming Friday, I'll show you one strategy. Okay, one strategy to know a little bit here how to predict price up or price down. So if you don't want to miss this out, guys, all you need to do is just click this link right here at above, okay, and send the registration there, okay, and then we will send you the confirmation. So 17th July, Friday night, 9 p.m. Okay, so since you guys can see this chart here, okay, so kita belajar sikit-sikit dulu lah, kita belajar sikit-sikit, right? So let's see here. This is a chart of a euro US dollar. Okay, so assume this is the level of the support here. Okay, don't worry, guys. You will learn all this later on. Okay, now let's begin right here. You see a very simple movement here. Okay, you guys see it's a very simple movement here. Let's talk about the distance here first. From this distance until this distance. Okay, so here the way how we read is very simple. Don't look at the reading here, number 16. Yeah. So normally we look the reading here in the middle. Okay. So the reading in the middle normally will ignore the final number. So you see the middle number here is 1,116. Can you guys see that? 116. Okay. I try to zoom his. Can you guys see or not? Okay. I try to zoom. Whether you guys can see. In my system, I can zoom. I'm not sure whether you guys can see. Okay. So this system, it seems like my zoom effect, I cannot see. Okay. So never mind. So what I do is I just do some level here lah. Okay, so from this distance, pergi sampai this distance. Okay, kejap I change the color first. Okay, so my zoom effect seems like cannot work out on this zoom, but it's okay, never mind. Okay, so what I do is I do some level here lah, so you guys can see. Okay, so this one, dia punya jarak ialah lebih kurang 111 pips. Okay, so I just make it this one nice. Okay, you guys can see. All right. Okay. Can see or not? Hey, you guys can see, my friend? You guys can see the number that I put here? 111 plus 111. Can see or not? If you guys can see, just type there. Yes, I can see. You guys can see or not? That I type here plus 1111. I'm talking about if you enter here by, okay, before it about to fly, assume lah, you predict that, hey, during this time here, you predict the price is going to go up. And you really enter here lah. You enter here by, okay, and then it travel up to this distance here. So you manage to collect a certain distance. Okay, so this is what we call pips. Don't worry, this Friday I will let you all know a simple basic. What does it mean by pips? Okay, so here the distance, dia punya jarak ni daripada dis bawah ni sampai atas lebih kurang 111 pips. Okay, so 111 pips. I think I need to add a little bit lah. Okay, so you will learn a little bit later, but as at least lah, as for now, you learn a bit first, nah? What is the pips, nah? So this is the movement distance, nah? Okay, so if you predict the price from here to up to this level, 111 pips. Okay, now the question is, if you take this trade, how actually you're gonna make the money? Okay, so here I am. I prepare a very simple Excel file. Okay, so in order for you to learn a little bit on how to calculate your profit, it's very important for you to learn a big basic formula. So the basic formula ialah LPV. All right, so LPV. Can you guys see this? Okay, hold on. I share first. I share first. I share my screen. Tell me if you guys can see my Excel file. Okay, all right. So I'm changing here. Excel file first. Can you guys see my Excel file here? I change first. Okay, cikgu kasih tukar dulu. Okay, so I change first the Excel file. Okay, can you guys see here? This Excel file. Okay, we learn a little bit. Today we learn a little bit. Okay, so okay, the formula is LPV. Can you guys see my formula here or not? Okay, as a student, before you learn a little bit about the method, you must learn first lah how to calculate, right? Your untung and your rugi. Okay. So any of you can see this one, LPV? If you guys can see LPV, you just type there at the chat box, LPV. Cikgu, nampak lah cikgu, LPV. Okay, so I tell you, this is the simple formula to calculate lah. Okay, so LPV is begin with the lot size. Berapa you start? Okay, if you predict the price want to go up, next question is, what is your bet size? Okay, what is your bet size? That will determine. Okay, so the pips is this one just now that you collect, the distance that you collect. Okay, meanwhile the pip value is the price of that particular exchange. Okay, so regarding about the pip value, you don't have to know about this thing because this pip value is already set up on your trading platform. Okay, so I show a little bit LPV where you can get the pip value. So I share a little bit one more time here. Okay, so in your trading platform, okay, this Friday I will let you all know more. In your trading platform on this section here already have the price of each of this value. Okay, so now 1 pips here for standard lot, this will be valued at $10. Okay, so Euro US dollar, the value is $10 per pips. Okay, $10 per pips. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to back to this Excel file. Let me share again. Okay, so let's begin with your lot size. Assume that you're trading a very big lot size. Okay, big lot size. So this one lot size is called 1.00. This is considered quite big, huh? Okay, so 1.00 lot size, and then just now you just make 111 pips. Remember, just now we talked about the distance, right? That you buy low and you really sell at the top. Okay, so you are making 111 pips. Okay, so this pip is the most important. How many pips that you managed to collect? Yeah. So now your pip value is standard is already $10. Okay, so in this case, if you're trading one lot size, you are making profit of $1,110. So I think I just changed this into Century Gothic so the guys can see better. Okay. All right, so this one is much better. Okay, so you see with one lot, if you really can make 111 pips and assume that 111 pips you hold this trading for 2 days, you pegang this trading lah lebih kurang 2 hari. So your profit here is estimated is $1,110. Now this is in terms of US dollar, yeah. You have not converted back into Malaysia ringgit. Okay, today Malaysian US dollar to Malaysian exchange ringgit is today $1 is equals to 4 ringgit and 27. Jadi bayangkan if you have $1,000, you're actually making 4,739. Okay, that is your profit. Okay, so now this one is assumed you trade big lot size. Okay. Now, assume that you don't trade big lot size. Okay, normally as a newbie, siapa yang punya capital lah, especially your capital lah, I just type here, capital lah, modal lah. Normally, if those who modal yang kecil-kecil lah, you start. Okay, maybe you start with $1,000 only. Okay, $1,000 means in ringgit is dalam lebih kurang 4,000 ringgit lah. Okay, if you start less than $1,000, I don't recommend you trade your lot size is 1.00 lot. So normally I recommend if you're a newbie, you start lah with 0.01 pun boleh. Okay, 0.01 is even though it's small, okay, but if you trade consistently, you can make good money. Okay, so you see, if I change the lot size into 0.01 lot, assume that your total pip is 111, pip value is maintained the same. Now you see, you make profit is $11. Okay, now in terms of ringgit, you already automatically making 47 ringgit and 40 cent. Okay, so this is how simple it is to trade. So as a beginner here, normally I normally recommend you all trade small first. Okay, yang masih baru kan, walaupun you punya capital pun dalam $1,000, normally Seezon tidak galakkan you trade lot size yang besar-besar macam lot gajah 1.00, 2.00, so better don't first. Normally Seezon galakkan you trade kecil-kecil pun boleh. Okay, kenapa? Sebab mesti trade lot kecil-kecil. Sebab if you untung, memanglah you making 47 ringgit, okay? But what if it reverse? It's negative 111. So here you will rugi 47 ringgit 40 cent. Okay? So you see, if you put too big, of course when you untung pun memang besar lah. Tapi at the same time, if rugi pun besar juga. Okay? So normally dia punya formula ialah sentiasa trade lot yang kecil dan sesuai. As long you consistent in your trading. In terms of trading in currency market, is bukan siapa yang lebih cepat kaya, right? In trading currency market, it's not about who is to become richest fastest, who quickest to become rich. Okay, it's not competition here. When trading the currency market, is not competition, bukan satu pertandingan ataupun perlombaan. When trading in the currency market, the real mindset is actually who stay longer in the game, right? Siapa lagi bertahan lama, okay? Siapa yang trading consistent, bukan siapa lebih laju kaya. Okay, it's not about today you start trade, tomorrow straight away you become very fast rich and you go back to your friend tengah yamcha, tengah minum, then you say, hey, I just turn this small money into this in such a short period of time. So it's not realistic. Okay, so it's not realistic. So if you want to trade, always trade small money. Okay, so a lot of students ask me this question, sir, I want to learn how to trade the currency market, but my modal is always kecil. Okay, so no problem. Sometime in currency market, how low you can start? You can start as low as $50. $50 also you can start to trade already. Betul, right? So lebih kurang $50 pun you can start to trade already. Okay, so $50 ni kalau kita tukar kan pergi Malaysian ringgit kan, so dia punya ni lebih kurang, sorry. Okay, this one kalau kita tukar pergi Malaysia ringgit mengikut perubahan sekarang ni, so lebih kurang dalam berapa tu? Kejap kalau kita tukar di currency pergi Malaysia ringgit lah, MYR. Okay, so lebih kurang modal permulaan pun dah dalam berapa tu? RM213. Okay, so dalam lebih kurang RM200 pun you dah boleh start trading forex. Tapi dengan satu syarat in your mind is, Ezon want to explain bukan bermaksud RM200 ni terus minggu depan you jadikan dia 10,000 ataupun 1 juta. So tidak realistik. Memang confirm tak realistic. Okay, so it's not realistic for you just to turn $50 next week become $5,000. So for me, based on my experience, that one usually not realistic. And if somebody managed to make it, that one is probably is based on luck. That's for sure. But can that person make consistently? That's a big question mark. Okay, but as I know, a lot of professional trader, those who start with small money, they will take time. So I want you to put in your mind first. Okay, you can start, it's true, you can start with very small amount of money, but in your mind here, you need to start trade with very, very small amount. Okay, now you see, if you start with $50, of course, your trading lot size is only 0.01, and you only can trade one pair, only one pair. But it's okay lah, if you trade with 0.01, and if you manage to know how to consistently trading, and you manage to get $11 at each trade, and the next thing you get another $11, you get $9, is good. Okay, just imagine your model is $50 and you get about $7, $8. So in terms of ROI is very powerful, you know. In terms of ROI is very powerful. Okay, tapi just to let you know all, I want your mindset to be ready first. Walaupun you trade kecil-kecil, but as time goes by, your trading strategy pun sudah mantap. Your trading strategy is already good. I will recommend you to add a little bit more. Tambah sikit-sikit lagi. Tambah sikit supaya modal you nampak cantik. Sekurang-kurangnya lebih kurang dalam $1,000 is good. Okay, $1,000 is very nice for you to have. So kalau $1,000 in terms of dollar if you have $1,000 lebih kurang dalam berapa tu? Lebih kurang 4,000 lah. Okay, 4,000. Okay, but those who have this kind of capital, yes, I really recommend you to start with 1,000 lah. Okay, 500 or so is good to start with $500. Okay, now for those who want to start small, you can start as low as $50 pun boleh. Okay, so for you to practice dulu lah and trade consistently. Okay, now next question is ramai student tanya, sir, can I just jump directly and letak duit betul-betul kah untuk trading? Normally those student in my program kan, siapa yang normally enroll in my program, I don't recommend you, you know. Biasanya student yang join my program walaupun you ada banyak duit, you pun tangan sudah gatal mau trading, your hand already itchy, you know, you want to trade already. Normally I don't recommend you. Normally I want you to begin with your demo account first, because in demo account you will learn a lot of things. Okay, you learn about the platform, you learn about your psychology, you learn about your trading greeds and fear. Sifat tamak tu you kena control. So normally you will start with demo account first, and you need to pass the exam. Our team here will check your result. You mesti pass your demo account dulu. If your demo account tak boleh grow 10%, we're not allowing you to trade real money. We have a team here to check your report card. Okay, it's very important. We have a team to always follow your progress. Okay, and then after that, your demo account next challenge ialah you mesti growkan, mesti kembangkan you punya dana sehingga pulangan 30% sehingga 50%. Barulah you dibenarkan guna duit sebenar seperti contoh macam ni lah, $50, $100 pun boleh start. Okay, so ini untuk pengiraan. So saya bagi satu lagi contoh. Okay, saya nak kongsi lagi chart. Boleh nampak chart. Okay, ini contoh bila harga naik lah. So that means if naik, you predict. Okay, remember in the trading platform, if you predict the price going up, you tekan butang buy. Okay, buy means you predict the price gonna go up lah. So you will press the button buy. Okay, Jumat ni, so Ezon will explain furthermore. Okay, so for those who just joining us live here, don't forget this coming Friday I'm going to share with you one simple strategy. Okay, so if you predict the price gonna go up, if you ramalkan harga tu akan naik, you kena tekan satu button. Butang ini ialah butang buy dekat sini. Kalau you buat ramalan, harga macam nak naik lah. So apa you buat ialah you tekan butang buy. Okay. Yang opposite dia, yang sebaliknya, yang bertentangan ialah bila you predict harga nak jatuh. Contoh dekat area ni, kita nampak sesuatu lah. Contohnya dekat sini, you belajar resistance. Okay, nanti you akan belajar lah. Okay, contoh you nampak ada satu resistance sini. Memang sangat kuat lah, right? Then you buat satu ramalan, dekat sini mungkin harga nak jatuh. Okay, harga mau jatuh lah kan? So, you predict saya nak ambil peluang ni untuk trade. Okay, tak perlu sampai bawah, tapi sekurang-kurangnya pertengahan pun boleh lah. Okay, so you nak trade jarak tengah ni saja. Okay, so those who watching this, right? So another part is, beside buying, you actually can predict one thing. You can predict the price go down, which is sell. Okay, so here I just put sell. Okay, if you manage to do analysis and you predict that the price ada peluang mau turun bawah, okay, so we will use sell here. Okay, sell means you predict the price gonna go down. Okay, soalan dia ialah teknik apa yang nak pakai. Okay, how you can do a basic prediction here. So Friday I will tell you the strategy. Okay, Jumat ni ialah strategi. Sekarang ni kita faham secara general dahulu. Okay, so bila price mau turun bawah, okay, if you manage to predict down here, so let me calculate here. Okay, contoh you trade dari sini sampai sini lah. Taklah jauh sangat lah, dekat sini saja. Okay, so lebih kurang you make here dalam lebih kurang 89 pip. Okay, contoh di sini you berjaya menjana lebih kurang 89 pip. In this area, you predict the price is go down and you manage to generate 89 pips. Okay, So when you manage to generate 89 pips here, okay, and this thing happened in, okay, tengok, you trade from here, 24th of June until here is 25th. Okay, it's only one day. Dalam satu hari saja, you hold daripada hari sebelum dan sehingga hari ini. So lebih kurang satu hari saja you hold this kind of trade. So jom kita kira berapa untungnya that you can make from here. Okay, so 89 pips. Alright, so saya zone share sini. Okay, contoh, if you trade lot kecil, 0.01 lah. So don't trade big lot. You trade lot kecil. Okay, 0.01 and then you jana lebih kurang 89 pips. Okay, 89 pips. So 89 pips, after you calculate, it will give you $8.90. Okay, this trade alone already benjana lebih kurang $8.90, 8.90 dolar. Tapi kalau kita convert dia pergi ringgit, dalam satu hari ni, even though your lot size is very small, you already making 38 ringgit. Untuk sesiapa yang ada modal lebih besar sedikit, you boleh besarkan you punya lot size. 0.10. Tengok. If you increase a little bit of your lot size here, you are making 380 ringgit. This is how simple it is, to learn how the calculation. The only part is how you do the technique entry and exit. That one Friday. Okay, this Friday I let you know. Sekarang kita belajar kira-kira dulu. Cuba tengok. If your lot size 0.10, you jana 89 pips. Okay, 89 pips, that mean dalam US dollar, you dah dapat 89 dolar. Dolar, okay, dolar. Lepas tu daripada dolar ni, you convert pergi Malaysian ringgit, you dah buat berapa tu? 380 ringgit. Okay, 380 ringgit dalam satu hari. Now, those who have slightly bigger capital, I'm talking about siapa yang ada capital lebih kurang $20,000, $30,000, it is not a problem for you to play big lot, okay, to trade big lot. So one lot, if you trade one lot, okay, and then you times 89 pips, you are making $890. All right. In terms of ringgit, within one day, you already generate 3,800 ringgit. Okay, 3,800 ringgit. So the question is actually, soalan dia ialah macam mana kita mau jana apa tu? Teknik menjana pips. How actually the technique that you can generate pips. Okay, so every distance, the travel distance is all money. Setiap jarak yang daripada you punya entry tu dan daripada you keluar, semuanya boleh di-convert kepada duit. Alright. Cuma persoalan paling besar ketika ini sebagai trader ialah macam mana nak predict yang harga ni boleh jatuh? Macam mana nak predict harga ni boleh naik? Contoh macam dekat sampai sekarang dekat sini, you see the price like this. How do you want to know what is going to happen next? Is there a technique for that one? Yes, there is a technique for that one. That's the reason you need to learn. Okay, those who don't know, you need to ask for those from someone that who already know. Okay, and all this technique, I tell you all this technique of prediction is all documented one. Okay, semua technical, semua analisis ni yang secara dari penggunaan chart ni, dia bukan teknik yang daripada pakai itu apa tu, telik nasib punya, bukan This one is already documented one. There's a body yang memang buat satu apa ni, memang kajian untuk ni. Okay, macam contoh kan, apa tu orang sebut Seizon tutup dulu ni ya. Okay, contohlah Seizon mau tanya kamu satu soalan I want to ask you a question. Boleh? Can I ask you a question? Can or not? Okay, Seizon want to ask you this question. Okay. If you go to airport, right? Normally if you naik kapal terbang kan, normally dia ada satu jabatan dekat tepi airport, lapangan terbang, iaitu jabatan apa tu? Meteorologi, okay? Ataupun dia sebut DCA. So ini jabatan yang kaji cuaca ni, and they do the weather forecast. You ask one question, how actually they going to predict that tomorrow is going to rain? Seizon nak tanya kamu satu soalan. Kalau jabatan meteorologi yang buat ramalan cuaca lah kan, dia keluar satu kenyataan, okey, esok dijangka hari akan hujan. Cuba tanya satu soalan, macam mana mereka boleh dapat data ni dan macam mana mereka boleh jangkakan bahawa esok boleh hujan? Tell me how they know that there is prediction that tomorrow is going to rain. So can we just chat a little bit? Just jawab saja. Kita just cicit-cicit hari ni. Just tanya-tanya soalan, okay? So how they know? Tell me. Macam mana jabatan kaji cuaca ni dia boleh buat ramalan? How they know that possibility ke barangkali esok boleh hujan? So tell me a little bit what they do. What they do first step first. Okay? Macam mana mereka boleh ramal yang bahawa esok dijangka mungkin akan hujan? Dan jika hujan, angin kuat, penting tak untuk kapal terbang boleh naik ataupun boleh terpaksa tergendala dia punya flight dahulu? Penting sebab dekat flight dekat syarikat penerbangan, jika terlalu kuat hujan, jika ribut terlalu kuat, boleh jadi dia kena delay dulu dia punya flight. Tengok, ramalan cuaca pun sangat penting. Cuma soalan dia ialah, rakan-rakan yang tengah dengar sekarang ni, macam mana mereka boleh buat ramalan tersebut? Kita tanya satu soalan secara logik tau. Okay? Kadang-kadang you dekat you punya handphone kan, you ada apps kan? Weather forecast, ramalan cuaca you tengok. Like me, I use Yahoo weather forecast. So normally I need to see apa ramalan cuaca esok. Dan boleh nampak lah, ada matahari, ada hujan kan. Soalan dia ialah, macam mana mereka boleh dapat ni? Macam mana, how they know? What they need to do first? So jawapan dia ialah, they need to study the data yang dah berlaku sebelum ni. They need to study the previous data. So previous data is actually a history. So from the historical data, they can know berapa tebal itu awan, okay, apa tinggi orang sebut arah angin, okay, berapa mendap, berapa density. So they need to look at this data. To be frank, in financial market, is the same. You need to look at the historical data. You need to tengok-tengok nombor sejarah. Dan daripada sejarah ni, dia perlu documented. Perlu kena documented. Dan documented ni sudah tertulis dalam buku rasmi. Ada buku rasmi actually untuk ramalan pergerakan harga. There's already documented. This technique is actually for future price forecasting. It's called technical analysis. It's documented by big body. Got 3 big body in the world. Okay, bukan suka-suka. Kalau semua orang boleh predict past, dia sudah kaya raya lah. Those who have this kind of statement and mindset, usually you don't go far. Have you ever think about, kalau satu orang boleh predict harga boleh pergi, dia sudah kaya raya loh. Dia sudah kaya raya loh. He's already rich oh. I tell you honestly, those who come up with this kind of statement, they don't know what they're doing. Do you know that this price analysis, if you know, it can help you. Okay, it can help you. Now, the thing is, it is better to have a strategy rather than don't have strategy at all. Saya ada debat dengan satu orang dari luar, dia berdebat dengan saya. Alah, tak perlulah ni teknik semua ni. Tak perlulah nak belajar semua ni. I can just predict by myself. You mau predict macam mana? You nak buat ramalan pakai apa? Pakai kelapa, is it? You nak pakai 2 kelapa sambil dengan pakai teropong. You want to use like that? Cannot lah, tak boleh. There's a technique for this, alright? So you cannot just simply buat ramalan punya pergerakan harga tanpa strategi yang betul. Alright, so that's why I want to share with all of you this Friday kita ada temu janji. So look at the link up here. Nampak tak link dekat atas ni? Okay, so I want you to click this coming Friday, 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. I show you one strategy. We have actually a lot of strategy, but I want to show you this one simple strategy that you can use. Okay, hold on Saya zone share balik semula saya zone punya charts, okay? So there is a strategy, okay, that there's a potential. Okay, saya sebut sekali lagi There's a potential for you to predict the price can go down and the price can go up. Okay, saya ulang semula. Kita sebenarnya ada strategi yang boleh buat ramalan, menentukan harga tu boleh naik dan kawasan mana dijangka harga tu akan turun. Sekali lagi ialah bila kita sebut dengan perkataan jangkaan, ramalan, bermaksud bukan 100% akan jadi. No such thing like that. The moment we say ramalan, sudah ada kemungkinan untuk sukses dan juga ada kemungkinan untuk fail. Yang penting, if fail, what you need to do. But if success, what you need to do. Okay, so that's important parts. You guys ready or not? Okay, so hari Jumaat ni, Sir Ezon akan kongsi, walaupun you masih newbie, masih baru, you boleh belajar teknik ni dahulu. Sekurang-kurangnya you tahu teknik ini wujud. Dan bayangkan, if teknik tersebut menjadi potensi kira untung rugi seperti apa yang Sir Ezon tunjuk sebentar tadi. Okay, the things that I want to share with all of you is there's a way that actually you can predict the price is going to go up and down. And you, if you are as a newbie, don't worry. Learn this one simple strategy. This simple strategy, once you learn about it, you already know. Yes, at least you have one skill in your life. Okay, one skill in your life. And when you manage to see that if this technique is successful, you already know how many pips that you can generate. If went wrong, you need to know how to exit and cut with a very small risk. Okay. Again, as I mentioned to you, all of you, in life, same. Okay. Tak ada semua 100% akan guaranteed you akan sukses. Okay. Tapi bila dia menjadi, you need to on hold on the trade. Okay. But just in case trade tu tak menjadi, it's very normal. All you need to do is just handle the risk and pastikan itu risk rendah. Okay, in trading, it's all about risk make it small, but profit make it big. But I tell you all honestly, there's no such thing in the world. 100% confirm jadi teknik. If somebody tell you like that, you better watch out. Okay, I tell you guys honestly, if somebody say, oh, you can trade the currency market, or you can trade the stock market, 100%, you learn this strategy, confirm jadi punya, you better watch out. Huh? It's not happening. I'm learning from all the mentors. The mentor that has already experienced 30 years, 50 years, they never say that this one strategy is 100% sure win one. Tada, never exists. So if somebody say that 100% a sure winning one, you better watch out. But if somebody coming and telling you that, okay, we have a strategy, okay, cannot win all, but at least sekurang-kurangnya ialah your winning is going to be this number, maybe 68%, but you need to be open up yourself a little bit. There will be a 30% risk. Okay. But the moment that if your winning rate is about 60 to 70% already, is very good already in trading. Okay. So I want to tell you honestly on that part. So in trading, those who newbie, if in currency market, if you predict the price going down, yes, you get paid. You can make money. If you predict the price go up, yes, you can make money too. The big two question is how to do that prediction. Macam mana you nak tahu harga ada potensi mau naik? Macam mana you nak tahu harga potensi mau turun? So Jumaat ni ada satu strategi as a newbie you can learn. If menjadi next question, macam mana nak kira untung? So this Friday, okay, I share again. Okay, this Friday. I want to give this Excel file lah kepada siapa newbie. Right? You want this Excel file? Very simple one. How to calculate simple untung rugi. If you trade small lot size pun you boleh kira. Tengok. Okay, how many of you want this? Okay, so those who join this coming Friday, 9 p.m. until 10:30 p.m., I give you this one lah. Simple basic calculation. Okay, so it's easy for you to learn. So simple formula, LPV. These two is the most important part. Okay, dua depan ni yang paling penting. Apa you punya lot size dan apa berapa pips yang you buat. Okay, jangan main-main. I tell you, this one of my student dari negeri bawah Bayu, you know, from Sabah. His name is Richie. Oi guys, I tell you, even though he trade with only small capital, at the time he trade is lebih kurang $150 saja. Guys, I tell you, he trade sikit-sikit saja, pakai 0.01 only. His target is only make about 50 pips, 80 pips consistently. Just within a 1 month plus, he grow this one a bit. Dia pun terkejut. He get a return of investment lebih kurang 50 to 60%. It's because of he trade consistently, you know, guys. Sikit. Okay, you all pernah dengar ni kan pepatah kan? Jangan main-main. This pepatah is very powerful, you know. Sikit-sikit, lama-lama jadi bukit. Don't take this kind of statement is lightly, you know. But if I talk in English, sikit-sikit lama-lama jadi bukit, how to explain in English? A bit, and it become a mountain. Okay, it become a hill. All right. So the concept is if you trade consistently, okay, even though it's small, but later on when you gather all the profit numbers, you will see a very interesting number towards the end. Okay, so this is how actually I'm just going to just chill out with you all on this coming Wednesday afternoon. Okay, so two things right here. this coming Friday, I will share with you all the strategy actually to predict how the price possibility have the chance to go up and what's the possibility the price can go down. In trading currency market, you can make profit in both way. Is it up or down? You can make market money in both way. And the most interesting part is if the trade is successful, how you actually calculate your profit in terms of US dollar and in terms of ringgit. Sekali lagi saya Ezon ulang, untuk pada hari Jumaat ni, you akan belajar teknik macam mana nak buat ramalan, potensi harga nak naik dan potensi harga nak turun. Jika trade itu menjadi, soalan kedua ialah bagaimana hendak mengira untung rugi. So kepada sesiapa yang berminat, don't forget to share this Facebook. Don't forget to share this live right here on a Wednesday. There's a link up there. Adakah nampak link dekat atas? So click the link, register, and I see you all this Friday. See you guys and take care. Bye-bye.